I got a peanut. I'm so happy. I never gotten a peanut. I've been looking for my whole life. Like, I've been looking at Walmart. I've been looking at Showcase, this place called Showcase. And I've been looking, I was looking at the squishy place where I never been. I'm so excited. There's another one. Whoa. Open it, guys. Hopefully it feels like a good peanut. Hopefully it doesn't pop. It feels so good. I've been waiting for my whole life and it feels so good.